What on earth are we going to do in this position? Our attacker has got us into the guillotine choke, so he's got his arms wrapped around us. From here, he can quite easily close the airways by squeezing, and he can completely cut off my airways, and he can kill me in a matter of seconds, okay? If he doesn't want to choke me out, another thing he can do to control me is he can drop his weight. If he drops his weight, I'm in trouble. I'm going to the ground, and he can pound me on the floor, okay? Another, even more serious thing he can do is he can just stand up. If he stands up, he's going to snap my neck just like that so easily, okay? So this is something we need to deal with, and we need to deal with it quickly. Now, obviously, it goes without saying, situational awareness is key. You know, you could ask, why are we in this situation in the first place? And I would agree with you. With good situational awareness, we should never find ourselves in a situation like this, okay? But here we are, we need to deal with it. The first thing I need to do the second this choke comes on is I need to prevent Raoul from squeezing my airways, okay, from choking me. All I need to do that is to put my fingers in between my airways and his forearms, okay? Just getting something in there is going to save my life. Even if he squeezes as hard as he can, he's squeezing as hard as he can now, okay? I can still talk. If I can still talk, I can still breathe. If I can still breathe, I can still live, okay? I'm talking, I'm breathing, I'm alive, okay? This is really, really uncomfortable, but I'm alive. I'm not going to die, okay? So put your fingers in and create some air to protect your airways, all right? The next thing I'm going to do to further protect my airways is I'm going to turn my neck into my attacker, not the other way. If I turn it the other way, I've got his bicep and he can squeeze me even harder, okay? So I'm going to turn this way into the attacker. So I just turn my neck. If I'm lucky, if he's a fat guy, I can bite him, okay? That's not possible with Raoul, he's quite lean, all right? Don't tell him I said that. But if I turn my neck into him, I can bite him, or at the very least, I'm protecting my airways, okay? So at this point, I'm not going to die. Fantastic, but I'm still in a shit situation. So now I need to start fighting back, okay? He can punch me, I need to start fighting back. So, what is a really good target from this position? The nuts, okay? Not only the nuts, but also the chin. So, using my arm, all I'm going to do with a nice big open hand is I'm going to strike the groin, I'm going to strike the chin with my elbow. Groin with the palm, chin with the elbow. Groin with the palm, chin with the elbow. And just keep repeating that, okay? Whilst keeping fingers, preventing my airways from being choked out with his forearms, okay? Striking, 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 striking. That's probably going to be enough for him to just let go, because I'm attacking his balls and his chin. He probably doesn't want to deal with that. He's going to let go. Keep striking. If he doesn't let go, all I'm going to do, once I've hit him a few times, is I'm going to trap his arm nice and tight, and I'm just going to roll out.